Hi, welcome to LB0 Fox India Norwegian Adventures. I'm Morton, LB0 Fox India, and this is kind of an impromptu activation. And you can see the lighting. I've got the sun, sun straight through the window, but hope you can bear with me with that. I didn't plan to do an activation, but I'm here at a really beautiful spot along the LA 2542 Østfold Coastal Trail. So I figured I'd do a little bit of urban POTA while I'm out doing some Christmas errands. And I'm just going to call CQ, see what happens. You look at the scenery, and hopefully it'll be a good activation. And it's a reminder to always keep some gear in your car, so if time allows, do some parks on the air. Anyway, I'm going to start calling. You'll look at the scenery, and we'll see if we can get anyone in the log. CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India. Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India calling the CQ Parks on the air. Calling CQ Parks on the air, calling the CQ Parks on the air. Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India calling the CQ Parks on the air. Park Lima Alpha 2542. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India calling CQ Parks on the air. Listening for any calls anywhere. Echo Alpha 1, Bravo United Lima, a little bit weak today, about 4 and 4, 44, 44, QSL. QSL, thank you for 5x7 Spain, and thank you for hunting 7-3. QRZ Parks on the air, this is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India. Echo Alpha 1 Kilo Papa, is that QSL? QSL, thank you for the 5x5. You are 3x5, 3x5 here in Norway, QSL. Thank you, 7-3, QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India. Golf 0, Romeo, Quebec, Lima. You are a bit stronger than the Spanish stations today, Don. About a 5 and 7, 57, over.
Roger, thanks for the 5x7 there, Morton. Good morning to you there. And you're 5 and 8 to me, 58, no problem at all. And the last bit of the last over for the last station there, it was Manuel. He was giving you his name as Manuel, Echo Alpha 2 Delta Tango. So that was all it was there. Okay, yeah, 5 and 8, you're on a port there. And from Mike 0 Oscar Mike Charlie, the club call, Mike 0 Oscar Mike Charlie. 5 and 8 also, Morton, Roger.
Thank you for 5 and 8 from both stations there. And yeah, I figured it was Manuel there. I barely copied him, but he's in the log. So thank you for confirming that, Don. Over.
Roger, no problem. Thanks for that. Have a good day, Morton.
Thank you. Enjoy your day as well. 7-3, QRZ Parks on the air. Lima Bravo 0 Fox India. Papa Delta 3 Radio Lima 5 and 7, 57, over. QSL, the band seems to be a bit noisy today, but I'm making contact, so I'm happy there, over. Thank you, 7-3, QRZ Parks on the air, Lima Bravo 0 Fox India. Okay, there was a Golf 0 station. Golf 0 coming on, please.
Golf 0, Victoria, Whiskey, Papa. 5 and 9,
Roger, 5 and 9 plus 20 here in Norway. Good and strong signal today, over.
Okay, that's forever, losing my voice. 7-3, and enjoy the day.
Thank you, 7-3, QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India. Echo Alpha 4 Tango Lima. Good morning, Luis. 5 and 7 today. 5 and 7, over.
Okay, yeah, thank you. Good morning, Echo Alpha 4 Tango Lima. You're 5 by 9, 59, thank you, 73.
Thank you, 7-3, QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India. Station ending Bravo, please. Oscar Echo 4, something ending Bravo, coming in, please.
Oscar Echo 4, November Kilo Bravo. November Kilo QSL.
QSL, you were a bit stronger on your last pass there, so you're 5 and 9 in the clear, over.
Thanks for the 5 and 9. Your figure report is also 5 and 9 here in the eastern part of Austria near Vienna. Okay, we show the best. Thanks for the contact and 7344.
7344, thank you for hunting. QRZ Parks on the air, Lima Bravo 0, Foxtrot India.
Delta Fox 2, Quebec Zulu.
Delta Fox 2, Quebec Zulu, is that QSL?
Roger, that's QSL. You're 5 and 9, over.
Roger, you're 5 and 7, 57 here, and you're my 10th contact, so the park is activated. Thank you for that, over.
Thank you so much, and wish you good luck, 44.
Thank you, 7344, QRZ Parks on the air, Lima Bravo 0, Fox India. Okay, the Mike India station, coming in, please. Mike India 0, November uniform Mike. You were a bit weaker than usual there. You were about a 4 and 5, 45, over. Okay, I lost you there in your last pass. Please try my signal report once again. Okay, Mike 0, Oscar Victor Golf. You sounded like a 5 and 9 there, over.
Thank you very much for the 5 and 9 there, Morton. You've got a 5 and 8 here on the south coast of the UK near the city of Southampton,
QSL, yeah, you're 5 and 9 here, so band seems to be a bit up and down, a lot of QSB and a lot of noise, but I guess that's due to the solar flare yesterday, over.
Yeah, QSL, it's not been the best of conditions, but I hope you get many along today and keep the videos coming on YouTube, they're always great to watch. Have a good one, 7-3.
7-3, and thank you for the compliment. And that, my friends, is why you go out hunting parks in the air, even if there's been a solar flare, and even if you don't have everything perfectly good. I mean, I didn't plan this out. I had a radio in the car. I drove past a POTA spot, and I figured, why not give it a shot? So it's always worth a shot. Tough activation, 35 in the log, all around Europe, no DX, but I didn't expect any DX today either. So just a short impromptu video from me here, or at least an impromptu video. And thank you guys. If you like this video, please click that thumbs up button. I'd love that. Leave a comment down below, consider subscribing, and if you want to support the channel financially a little bit, there are a couple of links down below for my virtual tip jars. That's it for now. Until next time, 7-3.